Hey guys, Max with Mike's Off-Road here today. We got a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon today with a 3-liter diesel in it actually. This thing's pretty mean. As you can see, it's got a huge wide stance kit. Got big mud tires that are super aggressive for all your rock crawling, mud terrain. And overall, it's just a very aesthetically pleasing vehicle. Come on back here and let me show you what we got going on. This was our issue that they came in for. This is your pinion drive gear in the rear end. And obviously it did deform the ring gear and took a few chunks out of the teeth. So we ended up replacing the ring and pinion. This is a very, very good service that we do. Not a lot of people are willing to do gears in cars anymore because it's becoming a lost art, if you would. Pretty much went through everything, replaced all the seals along with the ring and pinion service. Start out the service, you have to remove the rear cover. Inside of the rear cover you have these two items, which we crossed over briefly, your ring gear and your pinion drive gear. You also have your spider gear and also your electronic locker that comes factory from Jeep. In order to remove these, you actually have to pull the axles, pretty much take the whole rear end apart, remove these, retorque the ring gear, and we actually installed a crush sleeve in with this pinion drive gear. Also replaced all the bearings and all your accompanying oil seals and or wheel seals. This is not really something you want to do on the ground, on jack stands. It's not really that safe because you're having to remove so many components, along with the axles, along with this diff cover, along with about 125-pound carrier, which is made out of solid cast steel. So it's not really something that we recommend just doing in your driveway. But it's so much easier for us here at Mike's Off-Road to do it because we have a lift, we have a press, we have a diff table, we have all the necessary tools and components to do these jobs thoroughly, efficiently, and skillfully. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope to see you down here at Mike's Off-Road because we have all the tools to work on your off-road vehicles, Jeeps, Fords, anything. Please come down and see us.